Have you ever forgotten? You take it off from boiling, off of the oven, and you just don't shut it because you went to get your phone. Look at the color. Mercury red. What is mercury red? See the way it starts off black? It starts off black, but then it's all red. So first it was black and then it was red. So what made it go from black to red? Was it the brass, the copper? What element brought the electric to turn it? And what color red was that? Because that's not really red. That's like a cherry red coming from your black and your heat, bringing what out of this metal, turning it. Took off the boiling, what you call food over here. I was happy my son bought these new noodles. Macaroni, pay 4 times the amount, made from quinoa, right? The minute, yeah, it says al dente in 3 to 5 minutes. So I tasted, yeah, they're pretty al dente. Now the thing about this is I got to drain the water. So imagine I didn't drain all the water and I take out some of this. But if I take out some of this, and anyways, the water's not drained, I'm going to mix it with the meat. So we're going to have the meat, we're going to have water and quinoa. What do you mean water and quinoa? Yes, because it took water to soften it. That means that the water, okay, you feel it moist, the moisture in it. That means the noodle drank some water, and now I am water, and I am quinoa, and I am what I am. So now I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to mix the two up. So imagine if these were my organs or my kishkas, or is this my food to put it inside these little noodles? But instead of putting them in each noodle, and I would call that a cannelloni. So I got the macaroni where the meat, let me put this a little bit closer to where the meat, meat, praise God, praise the animal that died, that chose to come to this planet. I understand and I respect that you came here. I don't know what you were thinking while you were here, and I don't know what you were thinking while you were being slaughtered, but just like the chiefs, not like the birds, because all the birds are dead. The Seattle Seahawks, dead. The Eagles of Philadelphia, dead. The Ravens of Baltimore, dead. All out of the playoffs. Who's left? The Chief, the Titan, the 49er Gold Miners, and the Green Bay Cheesehead Packers. Cheese for the moon. Who's going to win the Super Bowl this year? Because the Chiefs are now in the House of Order. So I'm going to mix these two up. Then I'm going to eat it, right? I'm going to eat it. How many of you just, while you're cooking, decide to do a little bit of cleaning and then go to the cat litter and, hey, got to get that out of the way. I'm still in the kitchen. Raphael, 7286, in a constellation of Pegasus. Pieces and parts. How did we get here? Who is and what is the hole in space that we cannot mark, which is G and D, which is number 7 and 4, and also stands for Jesus and God. Queen and dog, game, and thank you for watching this video.